Hello everyone, this is a home page for AutoCAD. Now we need to create a new file first. So this is our, from here you can create a new file. So this is our workspace. अभी हम क्या करेंगे इसमें सेटिंग कि फर्स्ट इस वर्कस्पेस में आप पहले एक शीट तैयार करोगे जिसमें आप ड्रॉ करना चाहते हो. तो what we gonna do is we are going to create a rectangular sheet which is of A4 sheet dimensions. So for that we need to set some initial settings. Here what we have is we have two ribbons. First one is file edit view insert and second one is home insert annotate parametric. So if in some system there is only one ribbon here, this ribbon will not be present here. So you can do one thing, just in this command line you can write menu. You can see this. After writing menu you can see this menu bar command. We need this command. Just click this. Now the value is 1. Enter value for menu bar. If this is 1, suppose if I enter 0 and enter, then that format ribbon will disappear. So if you want back that particular ribbon back, you can do again same thing. Instead of 0 you can write 1. Again in the control line just press menu, select menu bar. Now instead of 0 just press 1 and enter. So here the ribbon comes again. So now we will start with some initial setting. First one is format. We will select the units first. First setting is unit. Now decimal. For this projection I'm going to use this length. In this length the dimension will be according to this. There are 4 digits after the decimal, so the accuracy will be up to 4 digits after the decimal. I need only single digit after the decimal. So length will appear up when you measure something. The length, when you measure length, the value will appear like 12.5, 2.4, single digit after decimal. In degrees, angle, precision will be 0 degree. The values will come either 25, 24, 1 degree, 2 degree. Here, main thing is millimeters. By default, it is millimeter. If not, you can just scroll it down and select the millimeters. Now, okay, this will be, this is okay. So first setting is done. Now again second setting, again format, text type. Here in the font name what we are going to use is Comic Sans, COMIC. You can see here Comic Sans MS. Just click this here. Font style should be bold and height, this height is for the this text whatever you write, whether it is a alphabet or a numeral, you need to provide a height. So as per the A4 sheet condition, I'm going to take a height of 3.5 mm. So text, that height of this text or any text will be 3.5 mm. Now don't touch them, no need to change anything. Just press set current. Okay, to save your changes, yes, close. Now two settings are done. Now we need a third one, which is format, dimension style. Now in this ISO 25 you need to modify the dimensions. So here the first one is lines. In lines, color, this setting is for dimension line and this is for extension line. Dimension line, here you can see this a horizontal line with arrow on both sides. This horizontal line is nothing but dimension line, and these vertical lines, one at the left side of this arrow and one at the right side of this arrow, these are parallel to each other but perpendicular to this dimension line. So these two vertical lines are nothing but extension line. So we need to define this thing. So color, I'm going to give this cyan color. Line type should be continuous. Line type should be continuous. So see, the color is changing as we are moving forward. Cyan color, continuous line. In place of continuous you can use by block or by layer, but still I'm going with continuous. Line weight, here line weight refers to the thickness of the line. So line weight for this dimension line I'm going to use 0.13 mm. So for dimension line, color is cyan, line type is continuous, and line weight or line thickness is 0.13. Now for extension line, these two vertical line. Again going to change the color. Color will be cyan. See, color has been changed. Extension line 1, continuous type. Line 2, again continuous type. This one is line 1, line 2. Line weight, thickness, again thickness will be 0.13. Now, no need to change anything else. Just move to the second one. Symbol and arrows. Here, no need to change anything. Just change this arrow size. Make it 3.18. Now, move to the next text. About the text, text style should be, do not change this. Standard text color should be by block. Fill color none. No need to change anything. Just make this ISO standard. These should be as per the ISO standard. Now fit, no need to change anything in this window. Now move to the primary unit. See here, linear dimension means this one, 19.75. Unit format is decimal. Length will appear in decimal, and precision is up to, according to this is up to 2 digits after the decimal point. So here the dimension is 19.75. Here you can see full stop or dot is represented by comma. Nothing to worry, this is point. So here, as per this unit, 0.00, precision is up to 2 decimal points after the decimal. So you need to change it to the previous one. As in the starting, what we have done is we have set the precision value 0.0, means single digit after the decimal. So here, instead of 19.75, it just rounded round off the value. Now it is, instead of 75, it is 8. Now again, no need to change anything. Precision for angular dimension is good. 0 degree, it means 60. So alternate units, no need to change anything. Tolerance, nothing to change. So just click OK. Now set current and close. So these are some initial settings which we need to define before starting our projection. Now I want to create a A4 sheet. The dimension for A4 sheets are, in a A4 sheet, length is 297 mm and width is 210 mm. So I'm going to draw an A4 sheet with the help of this rectangle command here. Click this rectangle. First click. Now drag your mouse. No need to press second click. Just go to this dimension in the command line here. Just click this. Now this is asking for the length for rectangle, which is 297, and now it is asking for width 210. Just press enter. So now you can change the direction here like this. Now I'm going to press second click this. So now this is our A4 sheet. If these dimensions are up to the dimension which I have entered here, to cross check that thing, you can go here, dimensions. You can check here dimensions. This is linear dimension. This tool or this command is used to measure length of either horizontal line or vertical line. With this tool, you can only, with this command, you can only measure horizontal length of horizontal or vertical line. You cannot measure this with this an inclined line, because it will give only the horizontal distance or vertical distance between 2 points. Suppose this length, initially I have entered 297. This length should be 297 mm. So I'm going to check this first point, second point. So you can see this is 297. Again, first point, second point, this is 210. So this is our 287 by 200 rectangle or a A4 sheet. Okay, now now we can draw our projection, or we can do other things inside this. The dimension of the worksheet, it all depends on your work. Right now whatever I'm going to do is as per the A4 sheet. So I have initially whatever setting I have done till now, it is for A4 sheet. So you can change your settings or scale your setting as per your sheet size. So now here's one thing. With this line command, you can create simple line. This line is an incline line, decline line. So if you want your line to be either horizontal or vertical, you can just do one thing. Right now, first click. For second click, you have to drag your mouse and give a direction. But it is very difficult to make it horizontal or vertical. So for that thing, we can do one thing. Here we do have a ortho mode. Just click this. Now this ortho mode is activated. Now whatever you draw is going to be either horizontal or vertical. Suppose I'm like this, moving the cursor like this. So it draws only horizontal and vertical lines. If you want to remove, if you want to make an incline line, you can just do one thing. Just deactivate this ortho mode. Now you can draw like this. Okay. If you want to remove this thing, one is just select this thing and delete. Or another thing is, if you want to delete this segment from here to here, you need this intersection point. So you can do one thing. Just use a trim command here. Trim. What you want to delete? This one. Just click over by putting this cursor here. Just click. So this segment has been deleted, and this is the remaining part which you need. Now, if you want to again, suppose you want to extend this line from here to here, you can extend just in the right side of trim. Just scroll it down. You can see extend command. Click this thing. Now, whatever segment you want to extend, just click on the segment. But here, one thing is, you need to provide a max limit up to which you want to extend your line. Suppose here we do have a limit here. So if I want to extend this line from here to here, just move your cursor over this line and just click it. So this line is extended from here to here because we do have a line here. Suppose I'm going to draw a line outside this box. Now if I want to extend this line from here to here, see, extend here, it will not work. Why? Because we do not have a max limit up to which we want to extend this. So if I again going to draw here one line, this is the maximum limit up to which I want to extend this line. Now if you again use the extend command, it will extend your line up to this limit. Okay, and this way you can extend your thing, and if you want to trim something, you can just take your mouse over that particular segment, just press or just click here, this one, like this. You can delete, or if you want to this thing select at a time and remove these things, just click one time, left click, then drag your mouse, cover all this thing inside this envelope, click second time, so everything is selected, just press delete. So this is what you can use here. Another most important thing is, suppose this is a line. Suppose I want to draw another line which will start from the center of this line. So it is very difficult. If I am going to move my cursor here, it is automatically taking the endpoints. If I am putting my cursor here, it is automatically taking the endpoints. Suppose I'm taking it like this, this is automatically taking the endpoint. But it is very difficult to put my cursor here on this line. So for this thing, what I can do, suppose like this, I'm just putting my cursor here and clicking here. So it will automatically, this cursor is automatically selecting the endpoint. Now, if I want to start from here, I can do one thing. Just go to the snap tool, this one here, a square with a small square on the top left corner. Just activate this, but on the right side you can see a cursor. Just click this thing. Now here you can see the snap tool, the shortcuts which has been activated are endpoint. For a line you will get only endpoints. Here what we are getting, this is a line. If I want to draw another line, it is automatically selecting the endpoint. So what we can do is just click open object snap setting and select all. Now if you press OK, now if I want to select a if I want to draw a line from here, it will directly highlight the line, and if I click and draw, so it will directly draw from that particular point where I want it to be. So with this thing, we can do much more thing. Like I want to draw another line which will start from the midpoint of this line. So just keep your mouse around this line. You will get a midpoint. So this is the midpoint of this particular line. So you can draw from here. You want to draw from the end point. This is the end point. So this can be done with the help of snap tool. Please remember to activate this thing while doing your projection. And if it is not providing you the midpoints or only giving you the endpoints of the segment, then just do one thing. Just click here and open the object snap setting. Then select all. Then okay. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.